The primary wide lenses on Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 series will be made of one glass element and 6 plastic elements, which allows them to capture 15 to 20% more light than the iPhone 14 series. One of the most exciting rumors right now is about hybrid lens technology that iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will undoubtedly feature. All of these iPhones will also be the first global smartphones to use this technology. Now, this will greatly enhance image quality, particularly in low-light situations, and make it simpler to create the authentic bokeh effect. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to use the same technology the following year, but the primary camera will contain 2 of these glass pieces in addition to 6 plastic ones, making it a better option. Additionally, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's telephoto and ultra-wide-angle cameras may include 5 and 6-element hybrid lenses made by Sony Optical Technology. Finally, the camera sensor on the iPhone 15 series is also anticipated to receive a significant upgrade. This is primarily true for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, which are rumored to have 48-megapixel cameras, but we're sharing that it will be a smaller 1/1.5-inch sensor compared to the 48-megapixel sensor on the current iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is a 1/1.28-inch sensor. Nevertheless, it will still be a significant upgrade. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will continue to use the same 48-megapixel Sony sensor as the existing iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max models, but other enhancements like the hybrid lens technology and a larger aperture will be there to help it even more. It will also come with a newer generation of HDR processing technology. We are eventually going to learn that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is also anticipated to include a periscope zoom system, which is capable of zooming up to 6x in comparison to the present Pro Max's 3x level. The Pro model may also have a titanium frame. Another intriguing rumor is that the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will have an action button that will really take the place of the conventional mute switch. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.